Now let us move on to the third question of the exercise. The question is, simplify 2 raised to the power of 2 by 3 times 2 raised to the power of 1 by 5, 1 by 3 cubed whole raised to the power of 7, 11 raised to the power of 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to the power of 1 by 4, 7 raised to the power of 1 by 2 times 8 raised to the power of 1 by 2. So now let us first take the first bit. So the first bit is simplify 2 raised to the power of 2 by 3 times 2 raised to the power of 1 by 5. As we know, when we are multiplying two exponents with like bases, we can directly add their powers. That is, a power m times a power n can be written as a power m plus n. Therefore, 2 raised to the power of 2 by 3 times 2 raised to the power of 1 by 5 is written as 2 raised to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So now we add the powers 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. That is, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 can be added by taking a common denominator, that is LCM of 3 and 5. As we know, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. LCM of 3 and 5 is 3 times 5, which is 15. So we shall convert 2 by 3 into its equivalent rational number, that is with a common denominator 15. So for this, we multiply 2 by 3 with 5 on both the numerator and denominator. So we get 2 times 5 is 10 by 3 times 5 is 15. Now let us also convert 1 by 5 into its equivalent rational number by multiplying with 3 on both the numerator and denominator. This gives 1 times 3 is 3 by 5 times 3 is 15. So now we add the equivalent rational numbers, that is 10 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Since both the rational numbers have common denominator, we can directly add their numerators, that is 10 plus 3 by 15 gives 13 by 15. Therefore, 2 raised to the power of 2 by 3 times 2 raised to the power of 1 by 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, which is 2 raised to the power of 13 by 15. Now let us move on to the second bit of the question. So the second bit is simplify 1 by 3 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 7. Here 1 by 3 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 7 is of the form a by b whole raised to the power of m. As we know, a by b whole raised to the power of m is equal to a power m by b power m. We write 1 by 3 raised to the power of 3 whole power 7 as 1 whole power 7 by 3 raised to the power of 3 whole power 7. Here 1 power 7 is 1 by 3 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 7. So in the denominator, we have a power raised to a power. When a power is raised to a power, we multiply the exponents. Therefore, 1 by 3 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 7 can be written as 1 by 3 raised to the power of 3 times 7, since a power m whole power n is written as a power m times n. Therefore, 1 by 3 power 3 times 7 is equal to 1 by 3 power 3 times 7 is 21. As we also know, 1 by a power m can also be written as a power minus m from the law of exponents. Therefore, in the same way, 1 by 3 power 21 is written as 3 power minus 21. Hence, 1 by 3 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 7 is equal to 3 power minus 21. Now let us move on to the third bit of the question. So the third bit is Simplify 11 raised to the power of 1 by 2 by 11 raised to the power of 1 by 4. As we know, when we divide two exponents with like bases, we can subtract their powers. That is, 11 to the power of 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to the power of 1 by 4 can be written as 11 raised to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, now we subtract these powers, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Here we need to obtain a common denominator, that is LCM of 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, LCM is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So now we convert 1 by 2 into its equivalent rational number with the common denominator 4 by multiplying with 2 on both the numerator and denominator. So we obtain 1 times 2 is 2 by 2 times 4 is 4. And 1 by 4 is already with the common denominator 4. Now we shall subtract the equivalent rational numbers, that is 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. As both the rational numbers have common denominator, we directly subtract their numerators. That is 2 minus 1 by 4 gives 1 by 4. Therefore, 11 raised to the power of 1 by 2 by 11 raised to the power of 1 by 4 is equal to 11 raised to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, which is 11 raised to the power of 1 by 4. Now let us move on to the fourth bit of the question. So the fourth bit is simplify 7 raised to the power of 1 by 2 times 8 raised to the power of 1 by 2. When we multiply two exponents with common powers and different bases, we can directly multiply their bases. That is, a power m times b power m can be written as a times b whole power m, that is ab whole power m. Therefore, 7 raised to the power of 1 by 2 times 8 raised to the power of 1 by 2 can be written as 7 times 8 whole raised to the power of 1 by 2. That is, 7 times 8 is 56 whole power 1 by 2. Therefore, 7 raised to the power of 1 by 2 times 8 raised to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to 56 whole raised to the power of 1 by 2.